8 tips for finding a good driving instructor. Choose manual transmission driving instructor as they are better at risk prevention. Measure the instructor's qualification through their certification and then select one. Evaluate other learners' reviews to select a reliable driving instructor. Chat with the instructor properly and check their availability to give driving lessons. Choose an instructor who agrees to pick and drop you from and to the lesson spot. Pick a driving instructor with whom you can verbally talk and understand the lessons. Ensure that the driving instructor teach you defensive driving lessons too. The driving instructor should be hired from a reliable driving school. Thank you for watching. For more, visit our site www.carlearner.com.